Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
It's your local family with Rita and Krishna.
I hope everyone is having a good day.
Thank you in advance for watching, and we hope that you enjoy this video.
Please subscribe to our channel
And share with everyone. Hello everybody, so today I'm going to prepare some pachownie. About 5 pack of pachownie here. This is the light, this is the liver, and this here is the heart. I pre-rinse it and I'm going to boil it with some warm water, and then I'll cut it up and wash it some more with some vinegar and lime. So stay tuned. So I washed this with vinegar already. Now I'm washing it out with some flour. This is already scraped already, so there's nothing to scrape here, right? I scraped that already. Put it in hot water and scrape it. Now I'm washing it out with I washed it with vinegar already. Now some flour to make sure I get everything out.
Did you put lime too?
Lime night. I'm gonna do that at the end. That's the last part. We did a full video probably about a year and a half ago, right? How we clean it from the beginning to the end. If you guys want to see how we prepare it from scratch, you can take a look at that. This is just gonna be like a highlights. Putting this here in the hot water to boil a little bit. It's already scraped already. I'm just stiffening it up to cut it up. So I got some more here. I'm not doing all. I'm just doing whatever I can cut. So once I finish cutting these, so this is what it looks like after I clean it and scrape it. Now I'm just gonna.
That's the light.
Yep, cut it up to small pieces. This one you don't want to cut too big, right? So this is good enough there. See that? Then I'm gonna cut it back into smaller pieces, like so. You see?
No, your big hand is black.
Well, I can't cut. You got a video at the same time, right? So that's how we're doing it.
And these are the one that we finished. That's the one.
That's the heart. Yep.
The heart.
We still gotta do the liver.
So we did the heart. That's the light.
Yep. That's what it looks like. Nice and clean. Smell good. You can't smell any rank from it. So that's how I like it. We clean everything. We cut it up. This is what it comes out to.
A lot.
We got a lot here,
big,
right?
Look, big tray. We're gonna turn up with this.
One big tray. So go ahead, Auntie Rita. Start your seasoning. Let's see what we got.
So what I do, I like to pre-season it a little bit light, adding some olive oil because it's not a lot. Adding some olive oil, Kirkland from Costco.
Okay, nice, nice.
And some seasoning. I'm going with some black pepper. It's all average, right? Depends on how much you're doing.
Seems like you're doing a lot.
Yes, me scraping like that. Some red chili powder.
Yeah, so we didn't do this in a while. Normally we do a whole bunch and we store it, right?
You freeze it up.
Yep, but we didn't do this in a while. Today the weather was nice, so we figured let's get some
Paprika.
in.
Original dash. I'll go in with a little more of that.
Yep, so like I was saying, the weather is nice, so we're gonna get some in. We'll keep it in here. Let's see if it lasts us the whole winter, or we'll have to do some in the middle of it.
You know how your wife's craving?
Rita loved this one. Rita not eat sheep and goat, but she only eat the pachownie out of it.
Yes. You put me on the spot there. So yes, guys, I just do it light.
It's a light seasoning, right, to get in it. Once
Yeah.
you go in the pot or the karahi, you gotta add more seasoning there, right?
So if you want, you can let this sit for a few minutes, and then you're gonna marinate more better. But right now we're in a rush. It's late. The weather is getting cold right now. So look how it looks. Real nice now, right?
Nice, nice. Looking real good.
And here I have all my seasoning ready to go. Some fresh garlic, green seasoning, and all the like how you cooking a curry.
So you're gonna bunjay it?
Yeah, I do it dry because I'm gonna prepare it with some nice dal and rice.
Okay.
And then we got sani with my hand. And then I also chip up some onion and pepper a lot.
Nice, nice.
And then come on, shred this inside here.
Fresh curry leaf there, right?
Fresh curry leaf. Most of the ingredient in here is fresh. That's how we do it. So let's get going, Krishna. Come on. So we're getting this show on the road. We get some nice olive oil here, a lot, because I like when my Pachownie single out, right? I got a whole big onion here. A lot of pepper from the garden. So let's go in. This thing look real hot. We hope enough. We hope enough put in the iron and it will see double.
You only think about food like man?
Yes. How you think we're gonna maintain this body? I gotta eat. And you gotta look fat and nice.
And you gotta look fat and wrong?
And then going into all my other ingredients here. Forget the full recipe, check out the video on my channel. I'm kind of rushing now, right? I make the taste like everything that you're cooking for a curry. How do you look there, Krishna?
Looking good, looking like a pro, looking like a pro. Look good, smell good. So we got the curry, or the thing for the bunjal, good there?
Yeah. I couldn't throw the whole thing, but oh my god. My muscle not that big yet. Pew me muscle.
Alright, pretend I want to take chance with me. So from a drunk it all is Pachownie. She want to do it myself.
Yeah, because we pay a lot of money. It's so expensive and a lot of time consuming.
How much you pay for all of this?
Almost $200.
Yep. So guys, this thing is worth the money, right?
Look how amazing it looks, you see?
Nice.
That's why I gotta do it myself. Because this is something you don't eat from everybody.
You might gotta do it in two, or what?
No, it's gonna be good.
Gonna be good? So we're only gonna do about half of it. It's a decent amount here already. I think if I had to do the whole thing, I would have to use a different karahi, right?
Yeah, it's too much. I didn't know.
So this is how much we got left.
Yeah.
Almost half a tray here. So
it's seasoned already, clean. It's seasoned and clean already. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc bag, put it in the freezer, so we could cook it fresh that way.
Yep. And this is a lot too, even though you're doing half.
Yeah.
You're going to with bare rice only or rice and dal?
I'm gonna do it with dal, but for tonight I'm gonna do it with rice. This right here.
All right, so we'll let this bunjal and then we're gonna come back and check on it, right?
Yes.
So this is how it looked after about 10 minutes of bunjaing there.
Everything
How you look there? It's looking good,
real
right?
Nice, yeah.
All right, so we're gonna give it some water
We need some hot water.
and let it boil. Not a lot,
Yeah. That's
just a little bit, so you can get everything boiled. And once this is the water boil out, it should be good.
everything but steam already, so you don't need to boil it too much. Real nice and soft.
Yep. So we're gonna cover this up and let it boil for another 15 minutes or so, right?
Yeah. 15 minutes. The water should be good.
All right, and this is gonna be ready to eat. So yes, guys, take a look at this. After about 20 more minutes of boiling, man, look what this come out there. Ready to eat. Chatak matak. So this is done. I'm just gonna top it off now with some fresh shallot. I just picked from the garden. I don't know what's gonna happen in this garden during this winter here. I'm grieving now to let it go, right? But it is what it is, right? We got the most out of it. How this is looking there. What this ready for?
Some nice rice and dal.
This ready for eat.
Good job, Krishna.
Thank you. So yes, we got the Pachownie ready. And we got the dal rice, Pachownie, and we got some nice fresh spinach here with some white belly shrimps. All right. We top off the dal with some fresh Baggie. Fresh, still from the garden, right? We still got stuff from the garden going.
Still downloaded.
Yep. So dal, rice, Pachownie, and some spinach to top it off.
Yeah, I know it's a weird combination, but the kids don't eat the Pachownie.
Yep. And some people eat the Pachownie and the rice only, right? But we like it with some dal. Yes, guys, I got the Pachownie, dal and rice, and some Baggie. Get some nice cucumber here and some nice pepper. Let me try the Pachownie with the dal and rice. Pachownie, very good, very flavorful. Rita did a good job in seasoning this thing and bunjay this thing real nice and proper. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you.